Walang iba kundi si Miss Ruth Lasam, the Chief Administrative Officer of CHED, and Dr. Almasita Abrigo, the Chief Education Program Specialist. Director of the Isabela State University, Ilagan Campus, and concurrently the President of the Quirino Province State University, my good friend, Engineer Cholo Simon. Ms. Myra Mirta Padolino, the Vice President of the Land Bank of the Philippines. Members of the Honorable Council, headed by the Honorable Vice Mayor J. Ibson Diaz. Hindi ko na po kayo isa-isahin. Kapiling din po natin ang Provincial Board ng 1st District of the Province of Isabela, E.J. Diaz. Again, good morning, Ilagan. Mapyang agaw na Ilagan tanitam namin. Patpatkik na barangay captains na 91, kompleto kayong amin apo. To our esteemed guests and visitors, valued stakeholders na narito po ngayon, and development partners, thank you po for gracing us with your presence and for joining us in celebrating our 340th founding anniversary na po tayo. If we try to recapitulate, we were once dubbed as the capital not only of the province of Isabela, but of Cagayan Valley. Unti-unti po, for decades po, unti-unting nawala po yon until such time when we took up the gadgets of leadership. Kasama ko mga members ng council. Sabi ko po sa kanila, we shall reclaim that glory that once belonged to Ilagan. And we will not allow Ilagan to be dwarfed by our neighboring towns and cities. So today we are gathered this morning to commemorate our humble beginnings and look back with pride at how far we have come. Bilang isa sa pinakamatandang bayan sa Pilipinas, nakita niyo naman 340 years na tayo. Tayo po ay biniyayaan ng isang makulay at makahulugang kasaysayan na siyang humuhubog kung sino at ano tayo ngayon bilang isang komunidad. Ours is a story of hope and victory. From the strength of our forefathers to the quiet sacrifices of every Ilagueño through the years, we have endured hardships that once threatened our patrimony. Instead of yielding, we rose together. Sama-sama tayo. We stood our ground. We refused to be forgotten. Ngunit hindi dito nagtatapos ang ating kwento dahil ang tunay na sukatan ng tagumpay that Ilagan will never again be dwarfed. And through our collective efforts, Ilagan reclaimed the glory it once held as the capital of Cagayan Valley. Sa bawat hakbang, pinatunayan na natin na ang Ilagueño ay masikap at hindi sumusuko. Ang Ilagueño ay matalino at maabilidad. Ang Ilagueño ay puno ng determinasyon at pangarap. Ang Ilagueño ay may integridad at dangal. Higit sa lahat, pinatunayan din po natin na kapag ang pamahalaan at mamamayan ay nagkakaisa, walang imposible. This is governance in action. This is what it means to serve, not just with words, but with concrete programs that change lives. Dahil sa ating nagkakaisang lakas at determinasyon, naaabot natin ang ating pangarap. Ngayon ay kinikilala, pinagkakatiwalaan at ginagawang standard in governance ang public service dahil sa ating matatag na ekonomiya at komprehensibong social services. Together, we have laid the essential foundations for lasting progress, investing in vital infrastructure that connects our communities, strengthening our health and social services to ensure inclusive and responsive social protection, and building a strong and sustainable economy that creates opportunities and uplifts lives. Ang lahat pong ito ay hindi lamang basta mga proyekto, kundi mga konkretong hakbang upang mapabuti ang kalidad ng buhay ng mga Ilagan. Ang pagbubukas po ng City of Ilagan College, the very first LGU-owned higher education institution in Region 2. built and anchored on the enduring principle. Lagi nating sinasabi ito, that give a man a fish and you shall feed him for a day, but teach a man how to fish and you shall feed him for the rest of his life. Education has always been one of the trust of this administration. Kaya po, naka-appropriate yearly sa ating annual budget ng scholarship programs po natin mula noon pa, way back to 006, in our desire to serve po. This year, we have allotted 100 million to cater at least 6,000 scholars in our desire to serve even more students. Of course, with the concurrence of the members of the Honorable Council, dadagdagan pa po natin yan sa mga susunod na taon. Nagsimula po ang pangarap nating ito, ang itayo, ang City of Ilagan College. This, almost 3 hectares po, square meters ito, yung buong lupa, and with 12,346 square meters po na building, initial 4-story academic facility is designed to deliver quality learning at scale. As part of our initial academic offerings, leveraging the proximity of the City of Ilagan Medical Center. Andiyan na po yung medical center natin. Meron tayong 2 city hospitals dito. Isa po nasa San Antonio, Ilagan City Medical Center. Para magkaroon ang mga estudyante natin ng immediate access sa hands-on clinical training in a real-world healthcare setting. Very reputable ang ating CIMC. Kayo na po ang makakapagsabi, si Mayo Kakoneto, because we are the only health facility in the area with triple ISO certification. Recognized din po as Secondary Hospital of the Year at the ASI. Andyan po si Dr. Herbie, ang ating medical director. Moreover, it is the only health institution in Region 2 accredited by the American Heart Association for Advanced Cardiovascular Life Support Training. Kaya angkop talaga para magbigay po ng high quality, industry-aligned education. Kasalukuyan po ngayon ang pagproproseso natin ng ating license and accreditation sa Commission on Higher Education. Yan po ang challenge na kinaharapan po namin ng mga members ng council ng ating local government unit, at kasalukuyan nga po natin inaayos lahat para makahabol po tayo ngayong Agosto. Pero tuloy-tuloy na po ang pagbubukas nito under the banner of Adamson University through the Extension Classes Program. Nakita niyo naman po kanina ang ating Memorandum of Agreement signing. Sana po at mapayagan na tayo ng CHED Region 2. Sa Adamson University, of course na pinangungunahan ni Father Daniel Franklin Pilario, ang CHED Commissioner din po, na hiningan na rin natin ng tulong, Dr. Rickmar Aquino. Siyempre, ang ating mahal na CHED Regional Director, Dr. Juliet Paras po. Palakpakan po natin. Para marinig po niya tayo at tutulungan talaga niya tayo na mag-open na habulin natin ngayong Agosto. At iba pang mga opisyalis na narito, nagpapasalamat sa inyong tiwala at pakikiisa sa aming adhikain. So with hearts steadfast in hope, the City of Ilagan College is hereby dedicated to the people of the City of Ilagan. Through this institution, wala nang kabataang Ilagenyo ang mapagkakaitan ng pagkakataong mangarap, matuto at maabot ang kanilang buong potensyal, lalong-lalo na po yung mga anak ng ating mga magsasaka, danari mamangi na edukatang. This is the fulfillment of our promise that education shall no longer be a privilege, but a right made real. The doors once closed shall now stand open, not for the few. Yung college po natin, isasagawa din po natin ngayon ang ating Dulog at Dinig program, yung outreach caravan sa City of Ilagan Medical Center. Yung Dulog at Dinig program na naging institutionalized na po ito na programa ng ating city government, na kung si Juan de la Cruz ay hindi makapunta sa mga services natin sa ating City Hall, ang City Hall, buong armada ng serbisyo ay narito po ngayon. Narito po ang free medical and dental services po dyan sa CIMC, where we will be providing free medical and dental services. Kasama na rin po ang circumcision kasi pinagtutuloy po ngayon, April po at saka Mayo, right after this program. Kaya Ron and Vice Mayor, former Vice Mayor Kit, pumila na kayo mamaya. Hindi, kaya naman medical services ang sinabi ko. Kaya naman pa, iba na agad ang nasa isip po ninyo. Bibiro lang po. Yung mga dairy po, dahil pinapalakas natin ang dairy industry natin sa siyudad ng Ilagan. And then, bibigyan natin dyan sa Alibago, Sitio Bating, Salindingan, Taguig, Gayong-Gayong Norte, Gayong-Gayong Sur at sa Kanamnama. Mamaya rin po, mamayang alas 4, we will also inaugurate the improved and renovated Rizal Park po na alay natin sa pamilyang Ilagueño na siyang magsisilbing pahingahan at bandingan po natin para sa maging matatag po at cohesive ang mga pamilya. Ngayong Dulog at Dinig po, iba-ibang serbisyo ang nandyan ngayon. Yung i-implement na rin po natin yung Local Government Support Fund na galing po sa national government na